Hi everybody, this is Renee Rutten, and I have been struggling a little bit about getting out of my comfort zone, sorry about that, sun's in my eyes here, in making videos. It's not something that I've done before too much, and so it's been quite a challenge getting out here and exposing myself, if you will. Anyway, I just read a blog post from someone, oh man, I can't even remember his name now, but the important thing is the thing that he said, and that was that when we meet a friend, if we're meeting a friend in the park or, for a drink or whatever, we don't write down, bullet points, exactly what we're going to say and highlight everything. And then, we get to the park and we're talking with our friend and we're like, okay, wait, I got to check my notes. I got to check my notes. We don't do that. And so his suggestion was when we make a video, don't have a whole subject line and a whole bunch of bullet points and everything that you got to go through. Just kind of be yourself. So that's my tip. I love that. Be yourself. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.